license plate thing on there. All of our bolt up stuff. Bolts. Instructions. Stickers. More stickers. What's going on, everybody? Want to make a quick video. I just got a small package in the mail today from aFe Power. I had purchased a few things via KOW Performance. Recommend anybody with any type of Mopar need to go check out his website immediately following this video. Definitely purchase some stuff. He's a super helpful guy. I love his business. I love what he's doing. I mean, he's got answers to every question you could throw at him. Shipping was super fast. I mean, I think I ordered this Saturday night and it's Wednesday and it's here already. So I know my basement's dirty. I'm sorry. I'm cleaning it out. But as you can see, yeah, we're in the middle of a polar vortex. So right now the wind chill is currently negative 54 degrees. So it's a little chilly out. So Godspeed to all the UPS drivers that are out there delivering packages today. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys and show you what I got. I got some other packages coming as well. I think a couple of them should be here tomorrow. I know one of them's in the mail, and they're not doing mail delivery today because it's too cold out. So that should be hopefully tomorrow, Friday at the latest, I would imagine. So, but without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start popping some of these staples out. Just need to make sure I don't step on any staples. So first thing we got here is some packing paper. Take this out first. It's going to be all of our connections, it looks like. License plate thing on there. All of our bolt up stuff. Bolts. Instructions. Stickers. More stickers. That's all that was in there. We got all our connections for all the pipes and everything, the bolts, stickers, all that good stuff. And like I said, I went through KOW Performance, so I'm going to pull this out, kind of just lay it out on the ground. How it's supposed to do. Oh, she's party. Yeah, she looked party. I didn't realize that the diameter of the pipe was that big. And this one is supposed to use your, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So that's pretty much how it's going to line up. This one is supposed to use your stock tips, but because I have an aftermarket exhaust with aftermarket tips on them, I don't know if that's going to work. I might have to buy new tips. But if I can, I'm going to reuse the ones that I already have because they are they already have like a matte black finish on them, and I want to keep that look on the car. So yeah, this is the exhaust laid out. Pretty sweet. Just trying to find a knife. We'll show you guys. You know how most people got a man cave? Here's a little side note. I got a man desk. So this is my man desk. It's my man area over here where I do man things. Got a light underneath here. And I'll put some of those aFe stickers are going to go up on here. This is where I put all my extra stickers that I get from people. I got some Adams Polishes stuff up there too, every time I get stuff from them. But just a quick view of my stuff here. Yeah, anyway, okay. Ooh. Oh, she's purty. Ooh, she is purty. Yeah, that was good. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. That's gonna be sick once I get that done. So, huge shout out to aFe Power. Definitely recommend checking them out. Follow them on Instagram. And also huge shout out to KOW Performance for the hookup. Honestly, I wasn't gonna do a whole new exhaust, but he has a payment option on there called a firm. I was able to purchase it because he had that as an option, and I didn't have all the money right now to shell out for a brand new exhaust, so I'm just gonna be doing payments. Plus I'm getting my tax return, so you know that's gonna go towards it too. But I also have a throttle body coming from him as well, from KOW Performance. I got a hoodie, which should be here hopefully by this weekend because it's freezing cold outside. And then I have E85 conversion kit coming from, oh nuts, I forgot the name. Dynamic Fuel, something or another. I don't know, but I'll do the unboxing for all that stuff. But this is the exhaust right now. This is going to be the new one going on when it is not -50 outside. Y'all be staying tuned for that. Also got my guy, Chicago Scat Pack. I'm going to be getting some Hellcat fuel injectors from him. And eventually getting those put on and having the car dyno tuned. So this is what's going on. So I'm going to clean up this stuff. Probably just throw that in the box and then just leave the box. I'm not going to put it outside right now. It's too cold. So anyway, I just want to give you guys an update. This is what I got going on right now. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned because we got some more things coming. And I hope you guys think I have an awesome man desk because I do. So, alright, peace.
Was nothing. Look at this love we found.